Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to go over the Direct Select tool. Ironically, this is the third time I've recorded this video. The last time around, technical glitch. Nope, had no sound. So, why not? This time, alright, what we got here is a bunch of objects on the screen. That's not so important as what we're talking about. We've got right here this lovely white arrow called the Direct Select tool. You can quickly access that by hitting the A key. For example, let's say I was on the Select tool. I needed to go to the Direct Select tool because I needed to get certain points, for example. So it's simple as just either clicking on the white arrow, or you can go ahead and press the A key as such. Alright, now what this can do is we can quickly select an object by just tapping somewhere on the object itself. We can select a particular line or line segment. Say I wanted this line segment right here. I can just simply click on it and grab it as such. Now, in addition to that, we can grab an individual point. And if you watch the selection tool tutorial, you'll know that with this, when you know what this icon stands for, it allows you to create a curve out of that. So you can select individual points, or you can select even groups of points, as you can see here. And along with that, Shift still works as a constraint. So if you start dragging, you can let me reselect all those groups so you can see better. So click, and then you start dragging. As you see, it does that. Now, when you make a selection and you want to move it, so say I needed to reselect this group here and I wanted to move it in the other direction. If I grab here, it does work, but you're better off usually trying to grab at one of the points. This doesn't always work here. So, alright. Now, this also works with groups. Right now I have these as individual pieces, so I'm going to group this. I'm going to group this one, and we're going to group both of them together. So, as I use my select tool, it selects the whole group, as expected. Now if I go back to my direct select tool, I can manipulate individual objects, as you can see, like so. And with that, I can, as you see, as I select the individual components, the alignment tools appear. So say I select all these objects here inside the group. So, alright. And I wanted to make sure that they're evenly staggered. That's just simply now I'm able to go because because I am on the direct select tool. Inside this group, I can still utilize the alignment tools. This should speed up things when this way you're not ungrouping or going inside of groups to make these types of adjustments. Alright, with that said, that's essentially what the direct select tool does. Again, if you double click on it, it brings up nothing. There's no other extra components to it. And I believe same thing with the group select tool as well. So let's talk about the group select tool real quick. How that works is it works very similar to the direct select tool. The only difference is so it won't select individual points. It won't do a lot of the things that the direct select tool does because this is not at that level. This, you can quickly select an object inside of a group, and then if you click again, it selects a group inside of that group, and if you click again, it'll collect the next group in the hierarchy. So, and that's basically how the group select tool works. it's all fairly straightforward stuff. But knowing these tools, the more you know about them, more you know in detail about them, more you learn as to what you can do with them, the faster you're going to be at producing your work, and it'll be a lot easier to manipulate and control the objects that you need to control. Alright. I believe that's it. That's the nitty gritty of the direct select tool along with the group select. Before I go though, I want to go over one more tool real quick because this shouldn't take too long, and that's the Lasso Tool, which you can get to by going to Q, typing the letter Q. So, and all that does, it's really simple. You just can select individual pieces quickly. So, say I wanted this one, this one, this one, then this one, but I didn't want any others, I can do that. And then at this point, you'd go right back to your direct select tool. That brings us up. And as you see, I'm able to manipulate the objects. So, alright. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you all liked it. Please, if you want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to leave a comment, please do so. Thanks again for watching.